What's poppin', potheads? I got something special for y'all today. I'm talking about the Cannabis Infused Creamy Cajun Pasta with Jumbo Shrimp. Let's get into it. So, what do we need for ingredients? Jumbo shrimp, red bell pepper, green onion, parsley, Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, accent, rotini pasta, milk or cream, can of oil, sun-dried tomatoes, and a little bit of flour. We're gonna go ahead and julienne cut this bell pepper. Once we get it all chopped up, we're gonna set it to the side. Onto the green onions. We're gonna cut these as small as we can get them. Then, set them to the side. Finally, let's get the parsley chopped up. Needless to say, all my vegetables have been pre-washed and cleaned. Be sure you do the same. Finally, set these to the side. I'm sure you know how to cook pasta, so cook this pasta to al dente, then set aside. Now let's add the can of oil and the bell peppers. We're just gonna saute this to get a little bit of color and until they get nice and tender. We're also going to season with a little bit of accent and Cajun seasoning. Once these are done, we're gonna pull them to the side. Now, let's grab our pre-seasoned shrimp and lay those out evenly on the pan. Then of course, re-season. We're only gonna cook the shrimp about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, or until it starts to turn pink, because it's gonna cook the rest of the way in the sauce. Once it's cooked on both sides, we're gonna set it to the side. Now, let's get this Cannabis Infused Creamy Cajun sauce made. Let's grab those bell peppers that we sauteed and set aside. We're gonna add 5 to 6 tablespoons of can of oil and 4 to 5 tablespoons of flour. We're gonna get everything mixed together really well. Now, let's add the milk. We're going to do this slowly, 1 cup at a time. And then we're going to mix it well until it begins to thicken. Make sure you knock out any lumps that you see. Now for the sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to add those. Then we're going to re-season our sauce with the Cajun and the accent seasoning. And a little bit of cayenne. Next, we're going to take a little taste of the sauce, and then we're going to adjust seasonings if we need to. Now, let's add the shrimp. Now, let's get everything nice and mixed well. Let's get the chopped green onions in. Now we're gonna let this simmer again for about another minute. Now I'm gonna put together a single serving. Let's get some of this creamy Cajun sauce and shrimp inside of this pan. Now let's add some of the cooked pasta that I also tossed with a little can of oil to the pan. Now we're gonna give this a couple of tosses to get everything nice and mixed well. If you can't toss it in the pan, it's okay. Feel free to use a rubber spatula to get everything mixed. Now we're gonna toss our pasta for about a minute to get everything nice and well incorporated. Then we're gonna plate it and sprinkle with fresh parsley. I'm glad y'all could join me again for the creamy Cajun pasta with jumbo shrimp. As always, subscribe today and stay blazed.